Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, November 25th. We continue reading from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled, We Have This Choice. The heart is a strong shore, and the ocean has many moods. The heart is a strong shore, and the ocean has many moods. With each day, we have this choice. We can build walls, block ourselves from the light, and suffer a dampness in the soul, or we can live barely, shine on through, and suffer the nicks of erosion for living in the open. Most of us, myself included, live behind walls that were started by others and finished by ourselves. Very often, we fear each other without reason, the wall builders and those who shine on through. But it really comes down to how to make it through life, safely or fully. I confess this comes from one who struggles to shine on through, because in the end, not being touched by life is not that safe after all. What I've learned is that the more I risk being who I am, like a sun daring to shine, the thinner the walls need to be outside me. My first experience of this was a painful moment as a boy in which my mother had ordered me to do something. We were alone in my room, and I said no. I don't remember what it was she asked of me, only that her demand was demeaning and unnecessary. I wasn't belligerent, just quietly firm. I remember fearfully building a wall as fast as I could in anticipation of her anger. I had barely prepared myself when she drew her arm behind her head and slapped me with a vengeance. The wall hadn't worked. My very soul had been struck. She went to strike me again, but by this time my soul had somehow reflexed into a strength of selfness that she couldn't penetrate. I glowed. She stalled in mid-swing and called my father to enforce her demand. He felt my brightness, but held the line and struck me too. By the time he landed, I was shining through. It hurt for sure, but I felt protected. There are times walls are necessary, but more often we can protect ourselves by being who we are. Neither hiding nor revealing ourselves will prevent our share of pain. But in being who we are, we get to be a part of the universal stream, not just a nut in a shell waiting to fall. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. And as always, remind yourself that this moment is good enough just the way it is. There is nothing that needs fixing, changing. just as you are, good enough the way you are, without changing or fixing. And see if this reminder helps you enter the space of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Allow yourself to rest in the bare simplicity of this moment that needs no fixing, even if it's just for a couple of breaths. Now, breathing steadily, meditate by turns on your sense of the world you look out from and your sense of who you are that does the looking. Your sense of the world you look out from and your sense of who you are that does the looking. On your next inhale, close your fist and feel your wall. Breathe slowly. And on your exhale, open and relax your hands and feel who you are without the wall. Do it a few times. Inhaling, closing your fist, feeling your wall. Exhaling, opening and relaxing your hand and feeling who you are. Now keep both hands open and relaxed and practice bringing who you are out beyond your wall by inhaling and exhaling and feeling your hands open and relaxed. Now stand up and move about the room or wherever you are, feeling that you are moving outside your wall. And note how that feels. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to your soul. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know who I am outside my walls. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection and maybe do the same exercise again. On an inhale, closing your fist, feeling your walls. On an exhale, opening and relaxing your hands, feeling who you truly are. And then keeping your hands open, relaxed, and breathing who you are in, outside your walls. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.